This is the first tutorial about command prompt. What is a command prompt? I firstly say command prompt is a command line interpreting application available in most Windows operating systems. It used to execute entered commands. So nowadays computers has graphical user interface. We can click icons to drag them and go to anywhere we want. The path will indicate in here. So first we open the command prompt. It's a command line, so you have to go to search and enter command prompt. It will open the command prompt. Here firstly we can see the Microsoft Windows version and the year that belongs to, and we firstly see C/users HP. This means the I am the user in this computer is the HP. You are in the here. Now if you want to go to this desktop in graphical user interface, you can go to this PC and go to desktop. You can see the path. In command line you have to enter the keyword cd. It means change directory, and space you have to enter the exact name, no spelling mistake, desktop. Now we are in this desktop. So we are in the desktop now. If we want to create a file, you can enter mkdir, put a space and file name. In here I enter your batch dsc dcsd 20.1 and press enter. You can see file created on desktop as dsc dcsd 20.1. Important thing is if you created this file mkdir is put a space and dsc and space dcsd 20.1. There are two files. Do not keep a space. The space we are putting the space for create multiple files. Okay, it's an important thing. If we want to delete these unusable files, you have to type the keyword rmdir. It means remove directory. Directory means the file. Rmdir space, first we delete the dsc file. You have to enter the exact name dsc and press enter. It will delete the dsc file. If you want to delete dcsd 20.1, you have to enter rmdir space dcsd 20.1. It will delete the dcsd 20.1. If you want to go to this dcsd 20.1 file, you have to enter cd space dsc dcsd 20.1. Okay, now you can see that there I enter cd desktop to go to desktop folder. So I enter dsc dcsd 20.1 to go to this file. So you can see the C users HP desktop and desktop I in the dsc dcsd 20.1 file. It means I open this file. Okay, now so here we can create your friends 5 friends names. You can do it with me. First you have to enter mkdir to create multiple files. You can now put a space and then create the file. I enter my five friends names: Shane, Shama. Now you can go to that DCST 20.5 file and you can see there are 5 names files are created. Then if you want to go to that assign file, you can go as you now know that cd space assign. You are on the assign file. If you want to go back with assign file, you have to enter cd, it means change directory, double dot means back one. It will back from assign to DCST 20.1 file. Then you have to back from that to desktop. You have to enter cd double dot. If you want to back from desktop, you have to enter cd double dot. You can see we are in the C local disk. You have, when you want to go to, there are in my laptop there are C, D, F. When I want to go to D, you have to enter D and this double dot symbol and press enter. Now I am in the D local disk. If I want to create a file on there, you have to enter mkdir. I enter my name Gita. Now you can see there is created a file named Gita on D drive. If I want to go to that file, I can enter cd space Gita. One thing you have to, the important thing you have to tell is, if I enter the file name with the spellings mistake, here I forget the e, it's see the system cannot find the path specified. It means that you have entered in a spelling mistake. You have to enter the exact name as you created. I am in the Gita folder. If I then I create my other name mkdir Mihiranga on that folder. mkdir Mihiranga. You can go to there and see. I am in D folder, D drive Gita. It will create Mihiranga folder. If I go to back from here, I can enter cd double dot, cd double dot, cd double dot. When I want to go to C drive, C and enter C and double dot. I am in the C users HP. Users HP. Another important thing is when we close this program and then we go to command prompt, it will show you from the front again. It means the data we entered, all the command lines are gone with when we close the program. So another command I show you is to view your system information. You have to enter system info and press enter. It will take some time and then you can see your system name and your PC processor, everything you want to know about your PC, depth review of your PC in there. Another important thing is if you want to change the color of this command prompt words, there we have only white color. If you want to change colors, you have to have color codes from 1 to 10. It means 7 is the white color. You have to enter color space the color code. It means 1 to 10. You have to enter color space 1. It will all get blue. Color 2 to change all to green. Color space 3 to all get light blue. Color 7 to get white color. If you want to any color you prefer, you can go to any color. I am using only white color. The important thing I want to say that I am only teach you the basics things about command prompt. If you interested in many others, you can go to web and you can prefer what do you want. First, then I go to rename. Rename means you can rename your folder from the command prompt. Rename space the file name. Firstly, file name. I am renaming. Okay, I am renaming my friend's name. Okay, firstly I want to go to DSC DCSD 21.5. First I enter DSC, no, not DSC, CD space DSC DCSD 20.1. The system cannot find the specified path. Why it? Here what is the error? You can see there. You have to firstly you have to go to HP, not HP, CD space desktop. You have to go to desktop folder. Then you have to go to CD DSC DCSD 20.1. Then you have to rename the folder. First you have to enter rename I am renaming Ashane to Binura. Space file name Ashane Binura. You can go there and see the Ashane folder we rename to Binura. These are some basics of command prompt. Now you can, on these days, you can click everything and go in there everywhere, but in the past you can't do that. You have to go with the command lines. They want to go to a file or create a file, do tasks, they use command prompt. Nowadays command prompt is used by network engineers and depth reviewers of Windows. So I think you enjoy this tutorial. If you interested in many more, you can go to internet and search the many. There are thousands of commands on Windows command prompt. You can do them. Here I show you what we learned today. IP configuration. I don't teach you, and shutdown I don't teach you because my PC want to shut down. You can do these things with your computer if you like. I do system info, color code, dir to display all files, mkdir, and space new folder name to create a file, mkdir folder 1, folder 2, create multiple files, cd folder name, change path directory, rmdir removing folder name, delete file, rename file name, new name, rename a file. These are some basic codes of command prompt. So thank you for enjoying this video.